Good day and welcome to Australia Towbars Performance. Today we have had a great pleasure working on the latest B9 model Audi S4 where we fitted a made in Germany Westfalia invisible and detachable tow bar. This is the look you probably want on your performance Audi S4 when you're thinking about getting a tow bar. It's completely invisible when it's detached. I'll show you how easy it is to attach it. Hopefully I can do it single-handedly. The wiring hides inside the bumper and it swings down, and the tow bar attaches to the neck over there, and that's the tow bar attached on it. So these tow bars are original manufacturer's equipment. They are manufactured and designed in Germany. Westfalia actually manufactures them together with Audi. They are lifetime warranty, and the wiring is fully integrated with your vehicle. So it disables your parking sensors, works with the engine, works with the gearbox, activates trailer stability control. If you're looking for a tow bar for your vehicle, feel free to contact our friendly team at Australia Towbars Performance. Thank you and have a great weekend.